Now, an exquisite crown such as this one doesn't come around too often, so if you love it, snap it up. We only have few left. I absolutely adore this gorgeous design. Look how beautifully this sits on the head. True regal crown, breathtaking, sophisticated, exquisite sparkle. 5A cubic zirconia, genuine platinum plated. The crystals have been cut in exactly the same way, like real diamonds, hence why the sparkle on this gorgeous crown is exquisite, and you don't often see that on the cheaper style tiaras, so be careful what you buy and who you buy from. We have a team of experts, craftsmen with over 40 years experience in jewelry making, and we are so grateful to be able to serve brides globally and bring you a little bit of a sparkle, but with that help you feel confident as you walk down the aisle, with confidence in your mind, love in your heart, and a sparkle in every footstep. Sending you so much love, and if you do have any questions, please let me know. I love connecting with you and helping you find the headpiece that truly makes you feel radiant and brings out something from the depths of your being, where you allow yourself to shine in your full glory. We also have so many gorgeous bridal jewelry pieces in our earrings collection and necklaces and bracelets. So if you'd love to take a look at a full range at My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy, we'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions. Sending you so much love.